𝗡𝗘𝗘𝗗 transition Alight motion. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open your browser and searching for 𝗡𝗘𝗘𝗗 transition free. After the search results appear, choose the first website that shows up and open it. Once you are inside the website, scroll down until you find a 𝗡𝗘𝗘𝗗𝗗 transition overlay that you like. When you find one that matches your style, select it and press the free download button to download the overlay onto your device. After the download is complete, go back to your home screen. Next, open Alight Motion and wait for the app to load. When the app is ready, press the plus button at the bottom of the screen to start a new project. Set your project settings according to your needs, then press Create Project to continue. After the project has been created, press the plus button in the bottom right corner of the screen. Import the footage that you want to use for the transition and place it into the timeline. Once your footage is added, press the plus button again and add the 𝗡𝗘𝗘𝗗𝗗 overlay that you downloaded earlier. After importing the overlay, extend the footage layer until it has the same duration as the overlay layer, so both elements stay aligned throughout the effect. Next, select the 𝗡𝗘𝗘𝗗𝗗 overlay layer and press Effect to open the effect options. Inside the Effect menu, press Add Effect so you can apply a new effect to the selected overlay. Go to the Matte, Mask, and Key category, then select Chroma Key from the list. After applying the Chroma Key effect, set the color to the green screen color used in the overlay. This tells the effect which color should be removed from the video. Next, adjust the threshold setting until most of the green area disappears from the overlay. After that, adjust the feather setting to smooth the edges and help blend the effect more naturally. Keep adjusting the threshold and feather values until the green part is no longer visible and only the 𝗡𝗘𝗘𝗗𝗗𝗗 transition remains.